So what you got today?
Is it time? Really it is. It said that it is. Make a new one.
What's your name?
Santi.
And what you got?
A fidget spinner.
Where'd you find that at?
It was right here on this table.
Oh, cool. So what kind of things can you do with that?
I messed up.
Nice. That's pretty cool. What else can you do?
With the heavy one, I can do the same trick. But that time I did it 2 times. And with the blue one, I don't know if I can do it yet. And last, I'm going to use the one with paint. Leave a like on my video and subscribe.